supposed to be really hazy today because of the Canadian wildfires. Like normally the lights are not still on at almost 7. During back to school season, I like to walk this path and then go through the backpack aisle because I often spend a lot of time filling backpacks. As you can see, most of them are not here yet. Drives me crazy when they don't combine everything on the racks. Like, this is empty. Drives me crazy. Empty.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why wait, going nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I'd have even more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is on a rolling. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she keep alive. All the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the place, being the place. She is on her own. She's on her own. Never seen her like this. Didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me.
I feel like sometimes the hardest part of my shift is deciding what to eat for lunch because I don't bother to pack lunch here or school. Now we just have to go back for crackers and a drink.
Switch.
Goodbye, 4th of July. Hello, Halloween.
Switch.
Okay, so we need to go to Lawn and Garden and get a fence for our pumpkin. That's number one. I always forget how hot it is because like when I get here it's an okay temperature, and then by the time I get here it's like, wow, scorching. It's dangerous when I come out here because I really don't need more plants, but maybe. So I don't use the tower, I use it like the fence. Some cat food and some litter for our child. She prefers beef with lots and lots of gravy, so this is her current food. I feel like you can't be a teacher if you don't like stationery. I don't even need anything. I just like to look. So these are like the ones that I got at Target last night, except the Target one was a little bit bigger. But I do have these that I'm trying to use for the classroom. Seriously, another thing that I love about these glasses is like there's so many times where I'm unboxing something like this and I can't be bothered to go find a tripod to put it in this odd angle. Okay, here's our remote. These came a couple days ago. That's our little hooks. Put those right there so I don't forget them. I'm planning on going to the classroom on Wednesday, so look out for a video coming soon for the classroom again. And then here is our arch situation. Sounds like a lot of pieces. Might be a lot of work here. The neighbor behind was talking, so I didn't have any video going because we were just chatting, but the peas are actually growing tall. I think it helps that the marigolds are kind of hiding them all now. Next year I'll definitely plant the marigolds a little bit farther behind. I didn't realize like the ones that I planted right here are the kind that get really tall and bushy. I was just blindly planting marigolds. I thought it was like this kind, but yes. So hopefully I can get this to come over and then just funnel it over. And then I don't know what I'm going to do when it gets over that way. Whereas like over here, this chaos mess, we're coming up, but you can see like the little pumpkins are already starting to form. So if they get too far up, they'll obviously be too heavy. And it's like the middle of July. July 13th, maybe? 14th? I don't know. You guys were correcting me on the date the last time I had a video up. Tomatoes, I don't know if they're overwatered or underwatered because this is looking a little crispy. Like it has been hot, but like the tomatoes themselves look okay. Except for them, they're kind of yellow. But this is the one that started out being eaten. Okay, so this looks fine. Now we have to build the arch, and from the amount of pieces, that look like a big job.
But then there was supposed to say when you just walk away? How come you say one thing and do another? All broken promises, nothing more or less. You thought you made the right choice, but where
It's the next day. I finally have one done, another to go.